Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick tip. And this week's quick tip is about keeping your tools clean and ready for use. And it's something that I noticed when I was doing a card last week. I found that my scissors, they're very stiff to open, and you can see that there is gunk on them. And this actually has a practical reason for cleaning these, because it can actually make it very difficult to actually cut your ribbon for a start. So that was the reason that I noticed it last week, and if I can just find my ribbon or some ribbon to show you. So I was using the shimmer ribbon, and it's not so bad actually if you put it all the way down into the scissors, but when I was cutting, what one's this? Perhaps it was this pair. This one won't cut very well at all, and you can see it frays the ribbon quite badly. So what you need for cleaning scissors, I recommend something like some sticky stuff remover. If you do a search on the internet for sticky stuff remover, you should be able to find some. This is a bottle that I've had on the go for a long time, and it's got a safety cap on. That's not all that easy to get off. I use some makeup pad, some sort of cotton wool pads. One of the things to be careful of here is if your scissors are actually pretty sharp, you can still cut yourself through the pads. So take care. Work in a well ventilated room, and either just work away at it gently so that you're not pressing and risking cutting yourself, or double up again. And what I recommend is that you clean the scissors off first with sticky stuff remover, and I can press a little harder now that my finger's protected by extra layers. So I'll just get this cleaned off, and what I do is I gather up basically all the scissors in the house and do them all at once. If I'm doing a batch of scissor cleaning, I might as well do that. So I've done one side, now I'm going to turn over and do the other side. It's no use just doing one side of a pair of scissors. We need to do both. So Stampin' Up! Don't stock the sticky stuff remover. That's something that you will need to get separately. Now, once I've actually used the sticky stuff remover, that does actually leave a film of oil on the scissors, and obviously I don't want that oil transferring to my projects. So I then get some rubbing alcohol, and it doesn't matter too much what strength it is, and I use rubbing alcohol for other projects, craft projects and things anyway, so it's good to have in. And then just give a wipe over with the rubbing alcohol on all of the scissor surfaces. Again, taking care not to cut yourself. So this is why I have a few of the cleansing pads, and then just allow that to dry off. And let's try this again. And yeah, that, even using the tip, which I couldn't have done before, obviously we get a much cleaner cut. So this is why it's definitely worth cleaning your scissors every so often. You can usually see when they're ready for doing, and you can see what a benefit that can have for you. So I hope this helps. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel to get quick tips every Friday and a quick card on a Monday. Thank you.